user, my name is Gary of Gary's Wares, and I have a table lamp to make. This particular lamp is being made for internet user number 1, Matthew Ishmael, but I'm not too sure what I'm going to make just yet. In the meantime, I need to figure out the right light bulb to go into said lamp. Luckily, the good people at the Sansi Light Bulb Company sent me some of their dimmable and non-dimmable 3000 Kelvin A19 light bulbs. What does all that mean? Let's find out.
There are lots of different light bulbs out there with lots of different applications. Even a single light bulb can have many variables differing in power, brightness, and more technical options like color temperature and color rendering index, all of which can leave you feeling a bit dim and somewhat in the dark when choosing light bulbs. In my last review, I covered the basic properties of light bulbs. They are luminous flux, color temperature, and color rendering index, or CRI. CRI is a light source's ability to accurately reveal colors as compared to sunlight and is measured in percentage. CRI is directly related to the spectrum of the light source, and most LED bulbs, like the Sansi A19, have a CRI of 80. What that means is the spectral output of the A19 is 80% comparable to that of sunlight. Luminous flux is the objective measure of the perceived power of light in reference to the human eye. Light comes in a wide array of wavelengths, but only a narrow band are perceptible to the human eye. Luminous flux is a weighted measurement of visible light within this bandwidth. Luminous flux is measured in lumens, and 1 lumen is approximately the same as the light emitted from a single candle. Color temperature has a very technical definition, but can be thought of like this. If the light source was a flame, what color would it be? Color temperature is one of the most important variables to consider because it has the most substantial effect on the quality of the light. Bulbs with a high color temperature are best for light-critical applications like woodworking, whereas low CT bulbs make better interior choices. These A19 bulbs have the color temperature I'm looking for, but there are other things to consider, like size, shape, and appearance. Light bulbs come in a variety of sizes, but the standard bulb shape is A. The number next to the letter indicates the maximum diameter of the bulb in 1/8 of an inch. To quickly determine the bulb size in inches, divide the number by 8.
I'm here with Anthony Lee, and I'm about to try out the dimmable bulb for the first time. We're going to check it out.
Damn.
That's pretty good.
Absolutely.
I like that. It makes a big difference from that other one. The other one's really harsh.
Yeah, this one's a little bit more like incandescent in color.
Yeah, it's like softer, kind of.
Another important consideration is if you need a dimmable bulb. Standard LED bulbs are not configured to be used with dimmer switches and are likely to explode if misused. I don't know this from experience, but I believe it. I'd recommend you believe it as well. The last thing to consider when selecting proper lighting is if the bulb can be used in enclosed luminaries. This is vitally important. Using the wrong bulb in the wrong lamp can very well start a fire. Always consider this feature when selecting light bulbs. Because these bulbs can't be used in enclosed luminaries, I don't think they're the right choice for this project. However, I've had them for about a year and they work great in the lights around my house. As I pointed out in my last video, LED bulbs are far cheaper in the long run than conventional bulbs, and I've definitely seen a difference in my power bill. Unlike all Sansi bulbs, they come with a 5-year warranty. If you'd like to pick some up yourself, click the link below.
I hope you found this video to be enlightening. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe. If you want to follow me on social media, I'm on Instagram and Facebook. The link's below. Have a nice day, internet user.